What up, world? Roy Nancy here, Roy Masters Floor Cleaning Services. We are here in Elm Creek in San Antonio, Texas. We are doing a travertine tile cleaning, polishing, and sealing. It's about 645 square feet. So yesterday we did the cleaning and the filling yesterday. We had to let the filling dry overnight so that we can come today and polish it out to the clarity level. And we're using a 3-step system by Bonestra. I don't know if I'm saying it right. And some MB Stone product, caliber. And what it is we're bringing it down, and then we're polishing it back up, keeping it wet. It's a 3-step process. Fantastic products. So once again, we are here in Elm Creek, San Antonio, Texas, and we are doing a travertine tile cleaning, polishing, filling holes, and sealing. It is Tuesday. We started yesterday on Monday, and now we're going to finish up today. We've been here for about 4 or 5 hours. Yesterday we were here for about the same amount. Today we'll be here a little bit longer because we're polishing it out. I'm here with my guy Charles, and we're knocking it out. We're doing our thing. We're happy to be here. We're happy for the opportunity. We love what we do. You know, we love doing this. This is what we do. Making floors beautiful again. 210-324-1622 for all your floor care services, hardwood floor refinishing. Give us a call. I hope everyone is having a great day today and is staying healthy and hydrated because it's been a little bit hot out here. So let's go take a look. Got my man Charles right here. What's up, Charles?
So you do the green pad with a pitch caliber, you're going to hit it, and have to run it all the way until it dries. You want to squeeze my chin squeak it. You know what I'm saying?
All right, put it down.